Hi friends, my name is Irina Lучанинова and today's video in English. For Russian, you can switch on subtitles. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel. So guys, I was so much inspired by this news of recently launched a rocket by Elon Musk. And now I'm gonna show you how to fold the rocket from paper. It's easy origami suitable for beginners. We will need just one piece of square paper. I've got 20 by 20 centimeters. First of all, fold the center. I do both diagonals. The next step is to fold the bottom to the center line. But smooth it just a bit, then unfold and fold again to this line. Another thin corners. I leave them for now. Do it for all four sides. And corners now. I'm gonna fold them on both sides. By the way, do you like stories about space travel? I adore that stuff and even read now books by S.A. Corry named Expanse. That's why I was so excited about this news about the rocket by Elon Musk. What about you? Do you like space topic? Write in comments. So now I form a rhombus. I've got these corners. We need them to fold to the center. Turn over and do the same. When done, fold once more each corner to the outer line. Expand and fold inside our corners. I will use a glue stick to make our rocket steadier. You can skip this step or do it like me. As well, I glue these pieces. Wow, these rockets look very good. I'm sure my little boy will love them. If you like them as well, please like a video. If possible, share in social media and subscribe to the channel. Each Tuesday and Thursday I post new videos. Have a nice day.